Struggling to earn a decent income, pork vendor Henry is feeling the pinch. The high cost of diesel is driving up transport expenses of his products.
Kung ang dati yung kinakarga namin sa biyahe po namin papuntang Tarlac, nasa 4,000. Ngayon po, 12,000 na yung kinakarga namin na diesel.
Anong ibig sabihin sa kita?
Lumiit din po kasi hindi rin naman po namin may taas kagad dito sa market kasi nag-aano rin yung mga tao na hindi nila kaya yung presyo.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ordered the release of 4 billion pesos worth of loans for small businesses. This forms part of government's comprehensive aid package aimed at easing the burden on enterprises affected by the surge in oil prices under the emergency loan program of DTI, Small Business Corporation. Micro, small, and medium enterprises or MSMEs may borrow from 30,000 up to 20 million pesos. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. aims to help MSMEs mitigate the impact of rising logistics costs as well as the delays in the supply of imported goods brought about by the conflict in the Middle East. Henry welcomes the program but makes an appeal.
Kung ganun po, dapat malit na interest lang. Kung po pwede nga lang yung kaunting-kaunti lang. Kung pwedeng wala, para lang makabangon din kaming mga tindero.
According to Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, beneficiaries will not be required to pay loans or interest for 1 year. Starting the second year, only 1% interest will be imposed. Floyd Brents from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.